before I'm going to teach you how to learn AI, I just need you to know that it's not the AI that you actually have to focus first learning. But first, you need to focus first on learning yourself. What does it mean? It means that you have first to study psychology or human behavior. Why? Because, if you actually focus more on studying a certain tool or specific tool, it will be kasi you want to learn AI because you have learned or heard from a lot of influencers here on social media that if you want to be irreplaceable, you have to learn AI. But actually, if you focus only on learning a tool or AI, that's what actually makes you replaceable. Yun pa yung magiging dahilan mo para mapalitan ka ng AI kapag nag-focus ka lang sa pag-aaral tungkol sa AI. So, kung gusto mo talagang maging irreplaceable, dapat ka maging generalist, dapat psychology, communication skills, human behavior, because these are the things or skills na dapat mong matutunan para hindi ka pwedeng mapalitan ng AI. Because if you have to learn first evergreen skills such as communication, leadership, critical thinking, problem solving, mas madali na lang sa'yo pag-aaralan yung AI. First of all, I'll give you an example. If you are going to talk to ChatGPT, Gemini, or other tools, it's gonna be easier for you to use Gemini or ChatGPT if you have a good communication skills. Now, having a good communication skills doesn't really mean that you're good in English, grammar, pronunciation, but you know how to communicate, you know how to listen, you know how to let the people that you're communicating with understand you clearly. You also know how to listen clearly, attentively. That's actually communication is more about you being clear in everything, because you are communicating to someone, you are sending a message, you are receiving a message at the same time. If you are good in communication, that actually means that you are good in letting the people or the person that you're talking to understand the message that you're trying to send. And you are also good in trying to understand the message that you are receiving from the person you are communicating with. And before you can become good in communication, first you have to be good at human psychology. So those are the evergreen skills. If you have leadership skills, also requires for you to be good in human psychology. Kasi kung susubukan mo nang gumamit ng AI, tapos alam mo na yung mga evergreen skills na master mo na, magiging madali na lang sa'yo yung pag-aral ng AI because yung AI actually just kakausapin mo lang